I'd like to welcome everyone today, this beautiful sunny day, on our last day of our tournament of SoCash Bud Light Super Bowl. Today our first game is featuring one of the new teams in our tournament, Royalty, going against a great veteran team from Fama'alu, the King. They will be vying for third place and a chance to win a cash prize and some Bud. After this one, we'll have our last game of the season, the championship game versus between Wall Lily and Fong San Tama Oli. And we begin first play of the game. It's intended for White and Fun. Incomplete, second down. Royals. Quarterback Isaiah Elisara able to connect with his receiver Wyland Fama on an out route. Gain of 15 yards on the play. Third down coming up. What about keeper by Isaiah? Able to get a first down with that 8-yard run.
First down, line against the 40, line against the 40.
At D-line for Ali Monko making his first appearance of the season. Catch by number 9. Spin, makes a couple of defenders miss. Vince Tassi.
Second down, line against the 40, guys, line against the 40.
Catch is good for 15 yards.
20,
Second down.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
9 minutes, 40 seconds.
7, 10.
Apa, kuri mai mapo.
Hey, let's go.
That one was complete to
One go,
BC.
one go.
First down, Royals.
First down, guys, first down. Line against 20, line against 20. 20, 19,
Go left, number 1.
10,
Number 1,
8, on snap.
number 1.
Hey, Spider-Man!
Another good throw, gain of 6 yards on the play. Pass caught by number 9, Vince Tassi.
Second down, guys, second down. Second down, line against 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 7, on snap.
Oh!
Monko applying the pressure, not able to get there quickly for the sack. Pass completed number 27. Cat Billy.
19,
Cat's catch good for 10 yards. Third down coming up. Third and short. About 2 yards to go for a first down. Under 8 minutes remaining in the first half. Another wide open. Cat Billy again. Beautiful route by Cat. Second time he ran that blitz route on the right side. Good for a first down. And they are in the red zone. All spotted at the 15-yard line of Famaali. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Isaiah decides to keep it. Gain of 5 yards. Second down. 7 minutes. Second and short. 4 yards to go. Isaiah keeps it. Runs away from the defender. Ooh. That is number 27, Cat Billy, wide open in the back of the end zone. Brings that one in for a touchdown, Royals. Good long drive there by Royals able to cap that one with the touchdown. Score is now 6, awaiting the 2-point conversion. Another wide open receiver in the backfield, Vince Tassi. 2-point conversion is good. Score is now 8. As we wait for Kama'alu to come out on their first drive, first offensive possession. 6 minutes. Oh, this is a new one for Kama'alu. Looks like Captain Levini is going to be the quarterback. Levy keeps it, runs for 6 yards. Second down coming up. He rolls out to his left, keeps it, gets the first down.
Follow. Got first down, line against 40. 20.
First down for Kama'alu, 4 minutes. 30 seconds. Anthony on the motion for Kama'alu. Hands it off to Anthony.
Tennessee.
3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the first half.
Lupe.
All right, open is leading up number 12. Lupe from the ball. Papers thrown by the quarterback. Looking like a good game today. Let's do it. Checking out all the officials. Look at volunteer work. Roll there, officials. Kama'alu coming up with the 3rd down. All spotted at the 29-yard line. Big man, Pato with the catch. Oh, it looks like a first down. Once he was able to get the first down. Don't be shocked. Size of the man.
First down.
By the heart.
Line against the 40, guys. Line against the 40.
Bonzi, George Kittle.
20. 19. 18. 17.
2 minutes, 30 seconds.
13, 12,
Royal team looking for a
11,
stop.
10,
Ali
9,
slowly marching down the
8,
field.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball snap.
Ball snap. With a short pass to the outside with the spin.
Oh!
With the holding. It looks like a holding play. That was a good catch by Lupe on a hitch route. There was a holding by number 21.
Foul right there. Defense out. Hold on, defense. 5 yards out of the front.
Second down. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and running.
20, 19,
Now look at the score. Trying to tie this ball game up.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
1 minute, 40 seconds.
5. Ball snap.
Ball snap. Leading with the bomb. Overthrows the receiver. Incomplete pass. Bringing up third down for the Whangalu Kings.
20,
Long.
19,
1 minute and 20 seconds. Running on the clock. He needs 10 yards for a first down.
12,
Kings looking to try to score. Tie the game up.
10, 9, 8,
But can Royalty stop
7.
it?
Ball snap.
Ball snap. Lee with the short pass. Lee connects with number 10. Converting the first down, first and goal for the Whangalu Kings. Timeout being called. Timeout being called by Whangalu Kings. That's their first timeout of the half. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining in the first half. The score is 8-0 in favor of Team Royalty. I'd like to take this minute to shout out to our major sponsor, Sopak Bud Light, our supporting partner, Evolve Fitness Gym, and also Henry Alva of Katoe Deal Productions for the live coverage, and everybody, all our fans, and everybody in American Samoa. Mahalo. Teams are coming back onto the field. We have 1 minute. 1 minute to Whangalu Kings to try and put some points on the board. Trying to tie this ball game up.
9.
Ball snap. Levy looking downfield. Scrambling. Throws it out to George Kittle. George Kittle with the reception. Big man with the move. Gain about 8 yards up the field. At 40 seconds and counting. That brings up second down. Second and third. Ball snap. Levy rolls out to the left. Ooh. That looked more like real football than flag. That was Isaiah. Official timeout. 28 seconds. 28 seconds remaining in the first half. Whangalu looking, trying to score on this drive. Third down, third and goal for Whangalu Kings. Time running, 23 seconds, 20 seconds. Gives it off to the running back, waiting for official call. Looks like he's short. Timeout, timeout, last timeout for Whangalu Kings. Looks like it's a fourth down. Fourth down and goal with a timeout being called by Bangalu Kings. That's their final timeout for the first half. With 12 seconds remaining on the clock, the score is 8-0 with Loyalty in the lead.
Fourth down, guys. Here we go, fourth down, guys, fourth down. Fourth and goal.
Bringing up fourth down for Bangalu Kings. Looking to try and score and put some points on the board. Time will start on the snap of the ball. With 12 seconds remaining in the first half. Ball snap. Quarterback looking, starting 8, dumps it 7, 6, 5, 3. That looks like a touchdown. 1. That completes the time for our first half, just as Fa'aalu gets a touchdown right before halftime. The score is now 6-8 in favor of Loyalty. Bangalu Kings looking to try to tie the game at 8 apiece. Captain Levy can convert the 2-point conversion. Ball snap. Takes the handoff. QB going. Waiting for the. Oh, and he ties the game. 8 apiece. And that's halftime for our first game of the day. Our third place game between Bangalu Kings and Team Royalty. Bangalu Kings will be starting
Baby, come, I echo so early.
Let's go. Bringing up the second half of our third place game. The score is tied at 8 apiece between Team Royalty and the Panali Kings. Looks like Panali Kings will be starting off on offense. The start of our second half, third place game. And a shout out to our officials, head official, President Wayne Malai Tashi A, side official, Sulu, and Boston, deep backfield, also did Billy, along with Justin and Omar. And Samele Taoui. You ready, friends? He's still sticking with the new QB, Captain Levy. Almost start on the snap of the ball. Ali going against the wind second half. Ball snap. First play of the second half. Quarterback takes off. Levy keeps it. That's not the move. He got out of bounds. Looks like an 8 out of 10, 15 yards. Short of the first down. Bringing up second down on the play. For the final team. Good yard gain on ground there by the quarterback. Second and 5 coming up. Looks like a call by the sideline there. Ball start on the Panali Kings. 5-yard penalty to the offense. Repeating second down for the Panali Kings. Coming up on 10 minutes and about 30 seconds in the first half. Ball snap. Takes it off. Dumps it off to the receiver. Receiver taking off. Finally brought down by Pat Veely. Team Woods. Oh, Lupe caught it down. Catch for Pat Veely. All spotted at the 30-yard line. 32-yard line. First down for coming out. Ball snap. Ooh, defender in the backfield. Oh, Eddie back down in the backfield. A sack for number 12, Charlie Utah. Bringing up 9 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the game. Russian team straight through. Muffle side, west side power.
15, 14,
It's the east side.
13,
Biggie, go 7. Go 7.
11, 10, 9, ball snap.
Go 7.
Quarterback dropped a short pass.
There you are. There you are.
That's by Big Man, number 27. Big Man with the hands. Bringing up third down for Colorado Kings.
Hey, Jackie! Hey, Jackie! 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 Jackie!
First down to the Royal team.
Jackie!
Offside, offense.
There you are. There you are. There you are.
Looks like it's going to
Offside.
penalty on the offense. Minus 5 yards.
Ngayon. Biggie! Go 7.
Check with your sideline official. You are over the line. Let's see. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Ooh, Moppo Thomas blocking on that play.
Hey!
He brought down. Looks like it's a first down. Right down for Team Royals. It's a battle of the nobles.
Hey, go. Shot.
Seems like Colorado.
Mày lên à, Jack. Lúc về mày lên à.
They was number 1 when they won.
4, 3, 2, ball snap.
Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Balls out to George Kittle with the spin move. Loses his balance. Good awareness there by big man George Kittle. Catch for 5 yards. George Kittle. George Kittle, an avid golfer.
Let's go, King! Go 7, Biggie! Get that touchdown, boy!
Not that anyone can score, but second down coming up for the Colorado Kings. Captain Levy looking to try and put some more points on the board. Coming up on 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the game. Royals sending 2 rushers. Levy taking his time. Goes back out to the left. Keeps it. Wide open field. Gains a first down. Winded Fama in on the stop for Team Royals. First and goal for the Colorado Kings. Coming up on 6 minutes. 6 minutes for the remainder of the game. Colorado switching out. Getting the subs out.
Let's go, King!
They can bring some fresh legs on the field. Ball snap. Gives it up to the running back. Number 11. Bringing up second down for the Colorado Kings. Second and goal. Five minutes.
4, 3, 2, 1,
Ball snap. QB looking downfield. Finds somebody. Looks. And overthrows the receiver. To bring up third down and goal for the Colorado Kings. That pass was intended for number 12, Lucas Alvarado. Quarterback overthrows that one to the left. corner of the end zone. Ball snap. QB throws a slant. Beautiful throw and catch there. Looks like it's short of a touchdown. Bringing up fourth down and goal for the Bang team. Fourth and short. Score is still tied at 8 apiece. Very important down. Critical down. Critical down for Rooster. Taking his time. And the way at the top. Ball snap. Quarterback looking, finds it open. And the silent official says it's a touchdown from Bang Team. What a show of poise by the quarterback. Patience is key. Patience is key. Definitely. And they now have a 6-point lead with under 3 minutes remaining. Awaiting a 2-point conversion. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Ooh. Hit the shoulder by T-Bone. Oh. The conversion is no good. They needed that 2-point conversion. The score remains 14-8 in favor of the Bang Kings. 3 minutes, 17 seconds. Royalty takes the field with 3 minutes and 17 seconds to try and tie the game up. Ball snap. Dumps off a short pass with a quick pull by the Bang defender. Coming up on 3 minutes. 3 minutes remaining in the game. Like Isaiah was hurt on that previous play from the first one. Coming up on 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the game. Ball snap. Quarterback takes off. Still going. Finally brought down by number 12. Lupe caught it out. Riley busting out the moves there. Converting a first down for Team Royalty. Coming up on 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the game. Good pat down by the captain. D lineman slash quarterback. Last 2 minutes of the game. And a reminder to both teams, we'll stop on an incomplete pass, out of bounds play, timeout, official timeout, and a conversion of a first down. Continue. Just a move. It's a drop pass, incomplete pass. Third down for Team Royalty. 1 minute and 37 seconds.
Let's go.
remaining.
Lock down.
Time will start on the snap of the ball.
20, 19,
Score is 14-8 in favor of the
Hey, man,
Fong
run,
Kings.
man, middle.
15, 14,
Hey, on it. What's number 1? Yeah. I say you right. I shoot the middle. Hey, offset. For the back run.
First snap. Good shot pass to next receiver. Ryder still moving.
Oh, man. 1 minute.
What a pickup by number 1, Team Royalty. Timeout being called for Team Royalty. That pass was completed to Ryder Fong. That's Simba Ilimaliota on the stop for Fong. Team Royalty with 1 timeout remaining in the game. Fa'alu with 2 timeouts remaining in the game. All over to both teams today. It's like a close game, 14-8 in favor of Fa'alu Kings. Team Royalty has 1 minute and 26 seconds to try and tie this ball game up and also try to take the lead. These two teams are vying for the 3rd place prize of the 2025 Super Bowl flag football tournament. Team Royalty looking to try and tie the ball game. QBI's looking, does a short pass, gets pulled inside. Time is still running. Pass completed to number 6. 1 minute and 10 seconds running time remaining for Team Royalty. That's a second down and a foul. Half a yard. Ball snap. Maybe looking, does a short pass, picks up the first down. Whoa. Leading a lot of passes on these short routes. Time running. 50 seconds running time. Coming up on 45 seconds. Ball snap. QB looks downfield. Ooh! Second. That is picked off. Interception done by QB. That will bring up the offense for Fa'alu Kings with 37 seconds remaining in the game. Time will start on the snap of the ball. QB Levy with the debut. Looks like he might pick up the win today. Ball snap. And he drops to a knee. Time still running. 25 seconds running time. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Looks like Fa'alu playing the smart move. 10, finish this game. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that completes our game with our final score, 14-8 in favor of the Kings from Fa'alu. Fa'alu Kings will be placed at the 3rd place position for the 2025 Super Bowl flag football tournament. Take this time to thank Team Royalty for placing fourth place in the 2025 Super Bowl Flag Football Tournament. Up next will be the championship game between Whangasā Tamaulea and Zuaolele to see who will take the championship for this year's Super Bowl Flag Football Tournament.
DJ Bolt in the building. Still waters run deep. Still Snoop Dogg and D.R.E. 9-9. Guess who's back? Still doing that, Andre?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Check me out. It's still Dre Day, AK. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home a lot. Cause when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock, you hear the bass from the truck when I'm on the block. Ladies, they pay homage, but haters say Dre fell off. Possibly my last album was The Chronic. They wanna know if he still got it. They say raps change, they wanna know how I feel about
if
it.
You ain't up on things.
Dr. Dre is the name, I'm ahead of my game. Still, my leaf, still the beats. Still not loving police. Still rock my khakis with a cuff and a crease. Still got love for the streets, reppin' 213. Still the beats bang, still doing my thing. Since I left, ain't too much change. Still,
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E. Since the last time you heard from me, I lost some friends. Well, hell, me and Snoop, we dipping again. Kept my ear to the streets, signed Eminem. He's triple platinum, doing 50 a week. Still, I stay close to the heat. And even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. My life's like a soundtrack, I wrote to the beat. Street rap like Cali weed, I smoke till I'm sleep. Wake up in the AM, compose a beat. I bring the fire till you're soaking in your seat. It's not a fluke, it's been tried, I'm the truth. Since turn out the lights from the world-class wrecking crew, I'm still at it, after mathematics. In the home of drive-bys and acmatics. Swap meets, sticky green and bad traffic. I dip through, then I get through the D.R.E.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E. It ain't nothing but Mohawk. Another classic CD for y'all to vibe with. Whether you're coolin' on the corner with your fly, lay back in the shack, play this track. I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
I'll break your neck, damn near put your face in your lap. Try to be the king, but the ace is back.
So if you ain't up on things,
Dr. Dre be the name, still running the game. Still, got it wrapped like a mummy. Still ain't trippin', love to see young blacks get money. Spend time out the hood, take their moms out the hood. Hit my boys off with jobs, no more living hard. Barbecues every day, driving fancy cars. Still gon' get mine regardless.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E.
I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still,
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still, taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's the D.R.E.
Right back up in your 9-5 plus 4 pennies. Add that D.R.E. Right back up on top of things. Smoke some with your dog. No stress, no seeds, no stems, no sticks. Some of that real sticky, icky. Ooh wee. Put it in the air. Boy, you's a fool, D.R.
Don't think shit stink, pink gators. My Detroit players, Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if the head right, Biggie there, air night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruce Cruz who? Do something to us. Talk go through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us. Screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Pup. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Recently, frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace. Keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace. With my peace. Packing, asking who want it. You got it, flaunt it. That Brooklyn bull, we on it.
Biggie, can't can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake.
I put the NY onto DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace.
That's right.
All Philly wars know it's Moschino. Every cutie with the booty, boy, the coochie. Now who's the real dookie? Meaning who's really the Rod, it's Frank White push the 6 on the Lexus LX 4.5. Bulletproof glass tips if I want some. Ass on blast, squeeze first. Ask questions last. That's how most of these so-called gangsters pass. At last. Rapping about blunts and broads, niggas and bras, menage a trois, sex and expensive cars, and still leave you on the pavement. Condo paid for, no car payment. At my arraignment, note for the plaintiff. Your daughter's tied up in the Brooklyn basement. Face it, not guilty. That's how I stay true. Richer than richer, so you just come and get me. Come on.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so
I can fill you with real millionaire shit. That's cargo, my cargo. 160, swiftly. Wreck it by your new one. Your crew run, your crew run. I know you sick of this lame brand with flows, girl, stay heat. Sweet like licorice, so get with this. It's easy, girlfriend, here's a pin. Call me round 10, come through, have sex on rugs, that's Persian. Come up to your job, hit you while you're working, for certain. Papa freaking, not speaking. Leave that ass leaking like rapper demo.
Captains, coaches. From Asa and for Lily from Mole, Suman Low. Paul Lily, captain, coach. Just. Captain Paul Lily from Mole. Introducing team from Alawasu, Wow Lily. Wearing number 1, we have Fa'amutu, Cristiano Stu. Wearing number 2, Patrick Isaaco, Patty. Wearing number 5, James Matavao. Wearing number 6, we have Tyrell Aleki. Number 8, Al Puletasi. Wearing number 13, Fiti Sefika. Wearing number 17, we have Ali Tia Taufela. Number 19, Ben Sidney. number 21, Olotone Rock. Number 24, CJ Afalama. Wearing number 25, Ike Sidney. Number 26, Jimmy Anderson. Wearing number 27, Rinaldo Etuade. Number 28, Sofina June. And wearing number 30, quarterback Mitchell Tuiamatu. To recognize our head coach, Fiso Ab, assistant coach, Naya Tua, and manager, Tanya Ab, and Monica Afalama. And introducing our top seed, all the way from the east side, Pomasa. Wearing number 20, Lucky Malaitia. Number 12, Eku Loke. Wearing number 5, Benjamin Tua. Number 13, Lorenzo Tautua. Number 0, we have Seala Tainamu. Wearing number 27, Wally Banner. Number 10, Yesata Lua. Number 3, Number 4, Polio Malatia. And their star quarterback, number 17, Eretti Bartilli. Announcing our head coach, Dixon Tuwele. Manager, Coretta Tamo. Good luck in your game. Teams, please shake hands in the middle of the field. And we have to Taloma. To introduce the officials for today's game. Head official is 7 being assisted by Pastor Poo, Wele Lamuao, Tonga Mao, and Tuli Nasego, Sulu, S.O.U., Pastor Saratielu, and our down marker, Victor Tumanwa. And a special shout out to our major sponsor, SoPac, like Toby, and also with the Ravens cap, Humble My Soul. Good luck to both teams. As the winner of this game will be crowned champion of the 2025 Super Bowl Flag Football Tournament.
Yahoo!
Looks like this will be a rematch from Pool Play. As both teams are coming from Pool A. Making the moves to get to the final game of the season. Pagasal, which plays 2A, and Pualele, which plays 3A. Pagasal will be taking the field on offense, starting off on the first series of the game.
I'd like to take this time to give a shout out to our sponsors, Bud Light. Yeah.
We good. We can go.
Nice. Sao ơi? Hay tôi.
Bringing a third down for Pagasal. Looks like there's a flag on the play. Going against the defense. Just waiting for the official call. Looks like a little quick meeting there for the officials. Make sure that the right call is called for the championship game. Looks like both flags will be waved off. Bringing up third down for Pagasal. Third and about 10 yards. Pagasal looking to try and convert the first down. Ball snap. Looking. Looks like he dropped the ball. Close run there by number 27, Juan. That was coming up big for Pualele. Pagasal looking Coming up on fourth down. Looks like they're going to flip the ball. Try and get them out for an easy score for Fort There it goes. What a good kick.
Deep. Go.
I'll bring up Fort Lily for their first series on offense for the championship game.
Deep. Martin.
Take the field on offense led by the big man, quarterback, Mitchell. Trying to see if he can put some points on the board. But from the side looking, Ryan stopped it.
Go deep.
Huge practice already. Oh, looks like a change at the quarterback. Mr. Jimmy. He started off on the quarterback. Fort Lily. You ready to go? First series for Fort Lily on offense. Looking at trying to look for a turnover. We'll see ball snap. Still running. He's down. On the play there. Not sure who is the bench. Oh, no flag, no flag. Sorry, it was just to mark the ball. 5 yards against the defense. Converting the first down for Fort Lily. On the first play. Fort Lily coming out swinging. Look at them. The championship dreams. Jimmy with the snap of the ball. Gets your hand off, takes it. Dumps out the short pass to Emery. 21, with about 7 in the game. Second down, bringing up second down for Fort Lily. Fort Lily coming out swinging today. Pull out all the tricks in the bag to try to secure this win. On the side, looking to defend. Ball snap. Go back. Even the play. That's a turnover on down. Ball side coming up big. It's a turnover. It'll be first down for the offense for Ball side. Game is still tied 0-0. Both teams looking to score to try and put some points on the board. On the side of the first down about 19 yards.
Turn it up! Turn it up!
Correctly with the ball snap. Walking off to his running back.
Give it some! Turn it up! Turn it up! Turn it up!
13 yards. The running back with a quick pickup there of about 6 yards on the play. Second down and about 13. While Lily looking to the bench, number 1 Wally. Picking up third down and about 11 yards. QB drop it back. Still running back. Defender from number one. This dude himself. Playing both sides of the ball. Wide receiver and quarterback. Hits coming. Hits him. Bring up fourth down. Crucial fourth down. Ball snap. About 15 yards for QB Carretti looking to try to put some points on the board for the scrambles out to the right. Jumping catch. 9 minutes remaining in the first half. Saw looking to put some points on the board. After a 5-yard penalty against the defense. Push out. Play. We wanted to go to try and keep the composure. Still a long game. QB Carretti with the ball snap. Look at that with the pull. Number 28. A big man June with the high. Lost him about 15 yards there, putting up second down, second and goal for Pakistan. The big man with the speed. Giving it his all. Final game. Inside looking. Ball snap. QB drives back. Takes a ball down. Patty with the defense on the play for Fualele. Bringing up third down and goes for Pakistan. Score is still 0-0 with 7 minutes and 40 seconds running time remaining in the first half of our championship game. Ball snap. Quarterback looking, drops the ball, looking, and it's defended. Bringing up fourth down for Pakistan. Fourth and goal. What a game we got here. Both teams coming out swinging. Score, 3 points on the board. Fualele will step onto the field for their second series of offense of our championship game. Both teams looking to score here. How you doing today, son? We go. Something serious for Paul Lily on offense. Good by Jimmy. Same quarterback, Jimmy. Jimmy dumps it off to his running back. Brought down by number 20. Patrick for the shot. Lucky with the fourth through. Lucky with the big after on the field. Second down, Good catch by number 2 there, Patty. Lily looking at first down is cold. First and goal for Paul Lily. Trying to look into the game. Trying to stop them from scoring. The game is still tied here at 0. We have time was. This is saying it to me. Five minutes and 36 seconds. It seems like Jimmy was pressured in. First down and goal for Lily.
Rocky, pull down!
Second down and goal for Paul.
Hey, Rocky! Hey, Rocky! Lorenzo!
Really coming in with the kick today. Detroit Lions there. Ball snap. Quarterback scrambling.
Hey, stop him now!
Third down and goal. 4 minutes and 40 seconds running time in our first half for the championship game of 2025 Super Bowl. Third down, third and goal. Ball snap. Takes it off to the running back. Quarterback's looking. Take a short pass. On the board with 6 points.
Marci, uso, venga, que escalaba! Marci, boy! Go! Go, que escalaba! Go, guys! Online. Online ako, eh. Dixie! Dixie!
2-point conversion. Paul Lily. See if other sides are trying to defend it. Stop them from getting conversion. Ball snap. Pretty Hickey. Scoring 6-0. In favor of Paul Lily. Second series.
Man, too young, man.
Next time you talk to the other team, I'll be out with him.
Onside has 4 minutes and 18 seconds trying to put some points on the board. Tie this game. Or take the lead. Ball back. Quarterback keeps it. To opponent. Ferretti with a big play there. Bringing up second down. Second down and about 8 yards there. So look at you defend. Coming up on 3 minutes and 50 seconds running time. The remainder of the first half. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. Got the short pass. Number 27 with a tiny catch. Close to a first down. Bringing up third down from the side. 3 minutes. Coming up on 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Remaining in the first half. Third down and half a yard there. On the side. Ball snap. Quarterback passes his running back. And really goes back to CJ. It looks like it's short. Yeah, this is still third. That is short downs for the time. Here comes fourth down. Fourth down. A crucial fourth down. On the side. This could be a deciding factor. Looks like they're going to go for it.
Short.
What's it for?
Looking for a first down. Spin it to Booker. Well, Alex Herber on down. Ball snap. He'll be looking. It looks like it's defending there. Looks like a turnover on down. Coming up, first down. First and goal. We're already looking to add more points to their lead. And we'll find out how to stop them. We will see. 2 minutes. Well, literally with 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Right into the window. Looking at the 10th championship game today. Both teams looking for their first championship. Super Bowl season. Ball snap. Take the lead. They'll bring second down. Second down and goal. For Lily. Lily coming out with a trick play. Just defensive one. Bringing up second down. Second and goal. For Lily. On the side looking for another stop. 145 in counting. Ball snap. Still running. Still going. Only back down. Back down by number 9. Dixie. Lily coming up with a third down and goal. Third down at about 23 yards. Trying to add to their lead. Coming up on 1 minute and 15 seconds. Remaining in the first half. Running play. Minus focus. Looking for a high pass. Ball and a flag there. False start on Paul Lily. 5-yard penalty. Wait, delay a game. My bad. That was a delay a game on offense.
Ball snap.
Almost missed it. Bounce it off the big man, number 24. And a quick corner by number 20, acting for the defense. Lucky. Waiting for the ball. Move your feet. Move your feet, big man. Let's do the first half. Slide.
Stop the key. We put it also.
Third down. Third down at about 35. Well, Lily trying to add some points to the lead. 34 seconds remaining on the clock. Ball snap. Quarterback looking. And 30 seconds running time. Fourth down. Looks like a punt will be coming up. 20 seconds, counting. 16 seconds remaining in the first half. Carson takes the field. The score still is 6-0 in favor of
I am down, man. I am down.
Willow!
Still going. There's a timeout being called by Kennesaw. With 9 seconds. 9 seconds remaining the clock.
And two.
I'd like to take this time to shout out to Stowie Deals for making this, possible for you guys out there.
9 seconds. 9 seconds remaining the first half. The score remains 6-0. 6-0 in favor of Flual Lily. Second down for Kennesaw. 'Quarterback drops back, looks to drop a bomb. Intercepted by number 2. Brought down. 3 seconds remaining on the clock with that turnover. While Lily looks to take the field and try to score with 3 seconds remaining. 3 seconds remaining in the first half. Looks like this will be the final play. Final play of the first half. Looks like this will be the final play of the first half. Lily Warrior gets the win.
Go deep.
Of the first half.
Hey, here we go. Last play.
Close that. Everybody looking downfield. Going into the second half of the championship game of the 2025 Super Bowl Flag Football Tournament. The score is 6-0 in favor of Fort Williams. At this moment, we'd like to take our time to shout out our major sponsor, Showtime Spotlight. Tony Gill Production for the High Code. All our spectators watching this game all around the world. Halftime. there's the buzzer as we come to close for halftime. Coming up, the second half of our championship game, 2025 Super Bowl flag football tournament. Coming onto the field, the score is 6-0 in favor of Pu'aolele. Pu'aolele remain and continue their lead. Will Whangasā take over and take the championship back to the east side? We will see for the second half of today's championship game. An exciting game, exciting and close game. Both teams looking to have their first Super Bowl championship under their belt. Whangasā with a Turkey Bowl championship from 2023. Both vying for their first time as the Super Bowl flag football. And we will see. Looks like Pu'aolele will be taking the field on offense for the first series of the second half. Pu'aolele shaking up their positioning for this game. Defense led by number 20. That's that. Looks like it's a second down and short. Pu'aolele. First down for Pu'aolele. Good pickup by the running back. First down at about 20 yards. Pu'aolele. Quarterback jumping it off. Couldn't get it to the receiver. On a back debut for junior quarterback today. Trying to lead his team to the victory. Looking to defend. Positioning his boys on defense. Ball snap. Quarterback brought back. Comes on the short pass. Running back still going. Brought down by number 0-0. What a good play. Number 0-0. Going back to one of the games, had 2 interceptions. Staying on the ball, but it was. Picking up third down. Third down in about 10 yards for Pu'aolele.
Right here, boys!
Third down in about 10 yards.
Go defense!
There's a flag on the field. Looks like it's going against the offense. 5-yard penalty.
John, make a match up for boys.
Slide your feet, big boys. Can't extend the arms, can't extend the leg.
Sáu nha, đẹp sao là không?
Slide your feet. Screen there being called. Thank you, side official Zelski. Third down coming up for Pu'aolele. You beat Jimmy looking to gain some yards here. Ball snap. Takes it up to the running back. Big man in the backfield. Looks like there's a big man number 12. There's a loss down there.
Ace.
Looks like the officials will be calling between the side officials. It looks like all of them. Since we're taking a break here, a special shout out to our major sponsor, Soul Pack Bud Light, and making this tournament possible. Oh, looks like a fourth down coming up. Oh, these are the officials. Fourth down. Looks like they will be punting. Offense will be playing the ball. Try and save the lead here. Oh, good kick there. Bring it back into the first goal. They're strong for far side.
Go, boys! Go!
In the second half. Looking to try and put some points on the board and try to tie this game up, or even take the lead. We're all in with each other. We'll see.
Sao luôn bỏ. Hay boys, hay boys. Hey. Cô mày đúng mà.
Get on the board here.
Ai à? Ai. Follow.
You'll be looking, short pass another right down the field. 2 plays in a row by number 27. Putting up big for his team on defense. Coming up on 10 minutes remaining in the game. Well, Lily looking to stop on the side for really
Hey, team that. Team right behind it.
Blaze ready. Looking up on second down from side. Ball snap. If you look at cross out to hand at number 11. Quick corner, number 21. Well, Lily. Oh, wow. Bringing up right down. That's now looking to convert. Short passing. Gaining momentum. Put on the board. Comes another short pass to number 11. Still going. First down on the side. First and goal.
Hey, come on.
8 minutes, 50 seconds running time remaining in the second half. Shot looking to try to put some points on the board. Tie this game up.
Follow!
Check the line! Check the line, boys!
I said don't check the line.
Pressure!
Looks like an official touchdown by the officials on the field. The lead now is 12-0. Wow, Leonard. Leonard looks to add to the lead, going for a 2-point conversion. Well, snap. Looks like there's a flag on the play. Looks like a delayed game going against the offense. It's going against QB Jimmy. Second view for the quarterback. 5-yard penalty on the offense. They'll try and repeat the 2-point conversion. He looks, throws it. Looks like it's an incomplete pass to Will Leonard. The score now is 12-0. 12-0 in favor of Will Leonard. 5 minutes and 46 seconds left. They're on the side and try and put some points on the board. Try and make this a game. Still a lot of time left. 5 minutes and 46 seconds. The time will start on the snap of the ball. As 25 offense takes the field. Quarterback for Lindsay. Trying to put some points on the board. That's that. Trying to get him. And running with the catch. This is a first down for Thomas. First down by number 27. Wow. We're making some critical stops today. Coming up big for us. Now with a big yardage game. First down and about 19 yards. Come up big here. Watch that. Quarterback keeps it. Still going. Still going. Looks like they were put down. Ready for the official play.
First down for Thomas. 5 minutes remaining in the game. Ball snap. QB lucky. Stops there by number 27. Wow.
Không cao cái cây mì đây không bị cắt.
Second down for Thomas.
Ok.
Coming up on 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the game. Ball snap. Quarterback scramble. Looking for a field. What a good catch by Lonnie. Brought down by number 1. Bringing up third down at about 2 yards. Looking to try and put some points on the board. Coming up on 4 minutes remaining in the game. Reggie repositioning his boys. Ball snap. Traveling to his left. down in about 2 yards. Outside looking to try and convert the first down. Try to keep it going. QB setting up. Ball snap. QB looking. Quarterback looking, takes the pitch, pitches it back to the running back. Running back still going. Carries that down by number 20. Captain for the Suns defense. Bringing up second down about 2 yards. Second down, 2 yards for Will Lilly. 2 minutes.
That's it,
2 minutes and 40 seconds waiting time. Jimmy. Convert the first down. Second and short. Both Will Lilly. Last snap. Takes the pitch. Oh! Big man comes up. Coming up on 2 minutes. Friendly reminder to both teams. Under 2 minutes. Until their stop. Timeout, official timeout. Or setting up for a first down. Third down coming up. Trying to convert for a first down. Still keeping the field line. Snap. Gives it out to his running back. Stop there. Still running. Time is still going. Looks like they'll be punting the ball. Time is still running. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Coming up on the clock. 125. 120. Oh, what a good kick there by Will Lilly. Nice stop. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Shoot, man, let's go.
15 seconds
Go home, let's go.
to determine our champion for this year's Super Bowl flag football tournament. Fireside taking the field on offense. We'll work for 1 minute and 50 seconds. And then keep between the line for one time. Fireside score and take the lead. Or will be Will Lilly be able to stop them on defense? We will see. Ball snap. QB looking. Second down. For the remainder of both teams, the final five, either two pass. 1 minute, 12 seconds remaining in the game. Ball snap. QB looking downfield. Plays it down.
Phil.
Timeout being called by Pat Sally. Punish out. 1 minute and 2 seconds. That's Panisaw's first timeout. They have one timeout remaining in the game. Friendly reminder to both teams. On the first down, the time will start again. 1 minute, 2 seconds remaining in the game. Score is 12-8 in favor of Fort Lily. QB looking focused here. Midfield for outside. Time will start on the snap of the ball. Ball snap. QB takes it. Looking.
On the ball.
50 seconds.
Allo. Yeah. Kelly, back up. Back up. Boys.
This reversal, time will start. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. Ball snap. He draws back. Big man looking. Timeout being called by Pat Sally. That's the final timeout. Big man. Number 28. 28 coming big. For Fort Lily. 31 seconds. One more timeout for the song. There's still 2 timeouts remaining for Fort Lily. With 31 seconds remaining in the game. It is now. Looks like it's.
Let's go.
Looks like it's going to bring a second down from the side. 31 seconds. One more timeout. 40 remaining in both teams. Incomplete pass. We'll start the timer. Out of bounds play. We'll be looking for the side team. We'll go through to try to keep the dream alive. Ball snap. Looking downfield. Looks like it's going to be against the defense. Five-yard penalty on the defense. 24 seconds. Time will start on the snap of the ball. Going 15 seconds. Remaining in the clock.
1
Uy, mali, meu papel não para lápis.
Mic check.
Kasi o gol Ferfani, tão por ele, kasi o gol Ferfani, tão por ele, kasi o gol Ferfani, tão por ele.
Ali foi esse que eu cala, mua, o lefas, cair malha. Ali foi esse que eu cala, mua molha fas cair, kau lau ka alu, malha lau kuat. Ele vem com ngei dia pele inga ka alu leliki. Alu lava ka alu au men ka alu ngei. Ele se pala ai. La koi malo maga ko. Anga malo ga ko. La ngale ka ko ka alo ser fangi. Ka fa kasi, ka fa uso. Isa peka ko le mai me la fanga kasi. Au ka ko uso umma. La mai boa mra pa alo. Ya, ese ku ora sa no va ve fa pescar ka ko sponsor. Ya, fa sa la lo ka ko fa longa fa mole. Mai. Claro.
Yeah, I know, right. Yeah, okay, make it quick. Thank you guys, appreciate everything you guys did get here. I have ties to both villages. My uncle Arlo was at Pangsha, and I've got these two fools over here that are real close to me up in Arwao. Great game. You know, everything you guys did for your village. You know, make sure you guys end the day on top. None of this crazy stuff. The other thing is these guys do all of this for free. So be very thankful for Evolve, because without them, Alright? We're going to give you guys a little bit of beer for tonight. Drink responsibly. Don't let Kiso drink. And you guys have a great time. Thank you. We'll see you next year.
Okay, now we're going to announce our third place winner of the game, of the third place game. It goes to the Falau Kings. And our second place winner goes to Bangasa. Second place award $500. 5 cases of beer. Before we announce the championship, we're going to give our MVP award first, and the MVP goes to Jimmy. Yeah, and our first place winner goes to Paulele. $1,000 and the belt and your 10 cases of beer. Thank you guys for coming out. Go! Allez, round la piscine. Henry, appreciate you so. Corre, Cassi! Corre, Cassi!
you out of my mind, mind. I know what I feel and it's right. I'm gonna move through love every time. 'Cause you're miles away. I'm gonna be the one to hold your hand, the one to hold your hand, so I hold my hand. But you're miles away. I'm gonna be the one to understand. Yeah, I'm the one. 'Cause we trip, then we're falling in love. Don't care about distance, that was never enough. You got me tripping, think I'm falling in love. Think I'm falling in love. Think I'm falling in love with you.
Kau ngakali soy fuang. Yoi. Kau ngakali soy fuang. And if you don't know, now you know. Shoot up. Fa'along umaila pese. Mafa'apa o fa'ale utele. Talo fa'ila usamuana. Watau matale soy fuanga. Fa'ima yorefu atamano nalo. O aso amanu o aso fo'i waso. Eva mailo a ile pese. Mafa'apa o fa'ale utele. Wakau makali soy fuanga. Wasi ile kesi lele wasi ifo ile kau falawa. Olenga oi wakele vavi sole wasawa sawa. Si yoki ngalu wenga bo oso fa'ima oka malawa. Si yoki le pulu lole usole e kele le kolo. Le aingi suka laki le e fa'a suka le koko. Mako e pe ai lunga le ngiu o kou e a ele olo. Mau le mango me pula fa pe le vi e moko. Inga ma folo mau le ole e si inga ile popo. Kele le kalo mapo kele le uru makua. Siki le miki lo lolo e siri ngai lo ngi susu mafua. Ole kwe kike ringa e falongo ile kama fue ngale o masangi. Koso le uso ilalo e sapa ya le yapangi. Makala ole e ka le fili e va vinga o mai le makiva pe ase se lo fili fa difu fa ile e lengi ma se puki ma wale fasili si le afi ipe a mai fa fielo uso ko anga kapili pi. Fa alongo mai la pese. Ma fa apa o fa ale utele. Talo fa ila usamuana. Watau matale soy fuanga. Fa ima yole fu atamano nalo. O aso amanu o aso fo'i waso. Eva mailo a ile pese. Ma fa apa o fa ale utele. Kalau fai ngai ai ngolo polonga. Au le e ka a alo mai leilo loa kai milionga. Lele wo fai le sa o lo konga. A ai mama o onga kele le ponga. Onga le fia popo ma fia popo le ka ofi.